Thank you for buying this 15064 fingerprint lock from Fixture Displays. You can find this item by searching 15064 on fixturedisplays.com. It comes with a lock and a charging cable. We're going to introduce you some DIMMs. It is 1.6 inches wide and 2.7 inches tall. Now in this status is 2.9 inches tall. The thickness is 0.7 inches. The metal is just about a 1/4 inch in diameter. This lock is made from, the body is made from zinc alloy. It weighs right about 0.3 pounds, or a little shy of 5 ounces. The charging port is in the very bottom with a rubber seal. In this video, we're going to show you in great detail how to use and register new users. One charge can last 90 days. And there is a low charge, blink blue and red. That's when you would have to go charge the lock. Now when you first get a lock, any fingerprint would unlock it from any person. So you want to start to record a first user or administrator fingerprint. You would hold for 9 seconds. When it blinks 3 times, you can start record your fingerprint. You do it for 6 times until the blue light blinks 3 times. Now you'll see the other fingers would no longer open the lock, whereas your recorded thumb opens up the lock. So now we have successfully registered administrator fingerprint. Now we're going to show you how to add a new person. You see the left, you hold for 9 seconds until the light blinks 3 times, and then have the administrator fingerprint in there, and then the new fingerprint would hit 6 times until the blue light flashes 3 times. Likewise, you can repeat for other users. Now I have 2 fingerprints can open the lock. Now the unregistered fingerprints would remain showing red light. To reset and delete all the fingerprints, You would hold for 20 seconds. Certainly, this must be the administrator doing so. When it blinks 3 times red light, do 2 more fingerprints. When the blue light blinks, it restores the default setting. In other words, Enable can open is in the unsecured mode. If you have any questions, email us cs@fixturedisplays.com. That's charliesam@fixturedisplays.com. This lock is waterproof, it's lightweight, and it's a great item to use indoors and outdoors. If you like our product, we can really use a good review. If you have any suggestions or questions, feel free to email us cs@fixturedisplays.com. This lock does up to 20 fingerprints. We know you have many choices in the marketplace, and thank you for shopping Fixture Displays.